How to download Google Photos to phone gallery. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you download Google Photo to phone gallery. Now to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first of all, what I'm going to do is open up my Google Photos. First thing, you want to make sure that you've already installed it. So here it is. After which what I'm gonna do is, in order to download it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, and let's say I'm gonna download this. Click on the three dot icon and click on download. Once you've done it, so you want to open up your gallery and you could find the photo downloaded already. Now then, if you have a multiple different photo, then what you could do is you could just simply come back and then you could select a multiple photo just like this, and then you want to click on the share button once again, and here you want to go ahead and upload it to your drive. So click on my drive, and once you've actually selected, so you want to make sure to rename all of that or rename all of it, and then you want to exit out of this page. Now here you want to go ahead and open up your drive, and here you could find out the particular folder. You'd see this is the one. What next you want to do is, in order to download, so just select it or hold on to one of these and then click on this square icon from the top right, and now you've selected all and click on this three dot, or you could just click on the, and then you would click on download photos. Once you've done it, so then you'll have successfully downloaded Google Photo to phone gallery. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.